Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to get Robinhood debit card. So to get started with the guide on how you can easily get or apply for Robinhood debit card. So the first thing to do is to open the Robinhood app, then sign in to go to the spending section in the app. Then the next thing to do, which is your next step, is to set up your spending account. So follow the prompt to open the Robinhood spending account, which comes with the debit card. Then after that, you have to activate your virtual card. So once approved, tap to activate card. So to start using the virtual debit card, instantly the Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. Then once you're done with that, request the physical card in the spending settings and tap request physical card and wait for 5 to 7 business days for delivery. So once that is done, fund and use the hard money section to add money to your spending account and start using your Robinhood debit card for purchases or ATM withdrawal. So once you're done with that, your Robinhood debit card is now ready to use for everyday spending. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.